It starts with a feeling, the urge for belonging, example to be set, to be known, to be cherished by all. In a world of distractions, true connection is rare, but it doesn't have to be. At Amdox, we don't just create technology, we build bridges between people, ideas, and possibilities. Whether it's a team brainstorming across continents or a quiet message that arrives exactly when it's needed, we make it happen instantly, seamlessly, meaningfully. Because we believe the best innovations don't just change how we work, they change how we feel about working together. This is more than communication. This is creativity. Amdox, where technology meets human heart.